Today we're gonna make a delicious, cheesy garlic bread right here at home. And we're gonna dip it in some homemade donair sauce. Over here we have a non-stick pan. I'm gonna put down some parchment paper. I want to make the cleanup process as easy as possible. Over here we got the pizza dough. I'm just going to put it on the pan. Now I'm gonna spread it out. I got some store-bought garlic butter. Take your melted garlic butter and spread it all over the pizza dough. I got some pre-shredded mozzarella. We put some oregano and some fresh Parmesan. Depending on your oven, you should bake this at 500 degrees between 10 and 15 minutes. For this pizza dough, I bought it at a local bakery. They sold it to me for $4. But if you want to learn how to make pizza dough from scratch, please click the link in the description below. If you want to know how to make this donair sauce, check the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to this channel and check out these other great videos.